Hi everyone! I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'll take you step by step through the process of building a breathtaking train tunnel, featuring realistic landscaping with carefully placed rocks, a variety of stones, lush green grass, and beautifully crafted trees to bring the scene to life. For this project, we'll be using an A4-sized thermocol sheet, 30 centimeters by 21 centimeters, a roll of brown craft paper, cloth plaster strip wrap rolls, putty filler, a variety of paints, glue, and hot glue sticks. The train tunnel is perfectly compatible with O-gauge trains and Limax villages. Let's get started and bring this amazing project to life. First, we need to create the external walls of the tunnel along with the tunnel gate. To do this, we will cut an A4-sized thermocol sheet diagonally into two pieces, each measuring 37 centimeters in length and 21 centimeters in height. You can keep these dimensions as they are, or trim them down to suit your project. For my design, I adjusted the dimensions to 30 centimeters in length and 17 centimeters in height. For the tunnel gate, the dimensions are 15 centimeters in length and 21 centimeters in height. You can keep these measurements as they are or adjust them to fit your project. In my design, I modified the height to 17 centimeters. The gate opening is 9 centimeters wide, with an arch that rises 4 centimeters from the top. The grooves on both the tunnel walls and gate are 1 centimeter wide, while the bricks measure 1 centimeter in height and 2 centimeters in length. To create the brick wall pattern, start by marking all the horizontal lines. Then, draw the vertical lines in a staggered manner so that each vertical mark aligns between the bricks of the rows above and below, creating a realistic brickwork effect. Once all the markings are complete, the walls and gate should resemble this pattern. Now, it's time to carve out the bricks using a foam cutter. Begin by carefully cutting along all the horizontal lines to create the brick layers. Once the horizontal cuts are complete, move on to the vertical lines, ensuring they are evenly spaced to achieve a realistic brick pattern. For the next step, take a piece of aluminum foil and crumple it into a ball. Gently press it against the surface of the thermocol, using circular motions to create texture. This technique helps add an embossed effect to the bricks, giving them a more natural and weathered appearance. Be sure to apply even pressure across the entire surface to achieve a consistent texture. Finally, apply a layer of putty evenly over the walls and the tunnel gate, ensuring it fills all the grooves and textures. Before the putty dries, remove any excess to maintain the brick details. Use a damp cloth to gently wipe the surface, smoothing it out while preserving the embossed brick effect. In the second stage, we will construct the tunnel structure. For this, you will need 2 pieces of thermocol for the side walls, each measuring 16 centimeters in height and 30 centimeters in length. The length can be adjusted based on your specific requirements. Additionally, you will need 1 piece measuring 15 centimeters in width for the top section of the tunnel. Cut 2 pieces of paper and glue them to the top inside corners of the tunnel, as shown in the picture. This technique will help create a smooth, curved shape at the top of the tunnel, giving it a more natural and realistic appearance. Next, apply a layer of cloth plaster strips over the surface to form a sturdy plaster coating. Ensure it is evenly spread, then let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Gently dab the surface with plaster to achieve a textured relief effect. This method involves lightly pressing the plaster onto the area, creating subtle variations in the surface. By doing so, You'll add depth and dimension to the overall design, giving the appearance of a more natural, sculpted texture. At this stage, your project should resemble the one shown in the picture. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 and the next steps.